Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, I'm super excited to bring you the most awaited review of the brand new OPPO A5i 5G 2025. This phone has created a huge buzz in the budget 5G segment, and after testing it thoroughly, I can confidently say, OPPO has once again raised the bar for affordable smartphones. Let's dive right into what makes this device stand out in the crowd. First off, let's talk about the design. The OPPO A5i 5G looks premium right from the moment you hold it. With a sleek, glossy back and a matte frame, it gives off a modern and classy vibe. The gradient finish changes color beautifully under light, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold for long hours. It's lightweight yet feels sturdy enough to handle daily use with ease. You'll find the power button integrated with a fast fingerprint scanner, and the overall build screams, style meets durability. Now moving to the display, the A5i 5G packs a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, gaming, or watching Netflix, this screen delivers deep contrasts, punchy colors, and super smooth visuals. Outdoor visibility is great too, thanks to its high brightness level, making it perfect for use under sunlight. The thin bezels add to the immersive experience, giving you a near edge-to-edge viewing pleasure. Under the hood, the phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G chipset paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB internal storage. Performance-wise, the A5i 5G handles multitasking like a pro. You can switch between apps, play heavy games like BGMI or Call of Duty Mobile, and still experience smooth, lag-free performance. The 5G connectivity is lightning fast, offering seamless browsing and video streaming without any delay. Battery life is another area where OPPO shines. The A5i 5G comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts more than a full day on moderate use. And when it's time to recharge, the 33W SUPERVOOC fast charging brings the battery from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes. It's one of those phones you can rely on for long trips, binge watching, or all-day work without worrying about running out of juice. Now let's talk about the camera system. The OPPO A5i 5G features a triple camera setup at the back, a 64 megapixels main lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The images come out crisp, vibrant, and well-detailed even in low light. Portrait shots have excellent background blur, and the AI scene recognition automatically enhances your pictures for social media-ready results. On the front, the 16 megapixel selfie camera captures sharp, natural selfies, making it ideal for vloggers and selfie lovers alike. Video recording supports 4K resolution with electronic image stabilization, which gives smooth and stable footage even while moving. On the software side, the A5i 5G runs ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, offering a clean and user-friendly interface. You get handy features like Smart Sidebar, always-on display, and customizable gestures that make everyday use more convenient. The system feels responsive and polished with minimal bloatware. In terms of audio and connectivity, the stereo speakers deliver balanced sound with decent bass, and the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a plus for music lovers. You also get dual SIM 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and stable connections. Finally, let's talk about the price. The OPPO A5i 5G 2025 is expected to launch around $249 globally, which is an excellent value for a phone offering 5G speed, a premium design, strong performance, and great camera capabilities. So, if you're searching for a smartphone that looks stylish, performs fast, captures amazing photos, and doesn't break your budget, the OPPO A5i 5G is absolutely worth it. OPPO has once again proven that you don't have to spend a fortune to experience the future of mobile technology. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting tech updates and honest smartphone reviews.